Welcome to Always Dolls. American Girl has released their 2025 Girl of the Year, Summer McKinney, and her rainbow pet-themed collection is so cute and fun. In this video, we show you how to make Summer's different pet treats. Use simple materials to craft adorable paw-shaped biscuits, doggy cookies, and colourful cupcakes. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support our channel. So let's get making. To make quick but cute paw-shaped biscuits, use recycled paperboard, a small hole punch, regular stationary punch, and tiny brad punch. Stack and glue 4 paperboard discs for the basic biscuit. To add a little dimension, press the edges of the paperboard around your index finger, turning the circle to create a curve. The paper will easily mold while it's wet. Cut a paperboard circle from a standard stationary punch and glue it to the center of the stack. Around it, glue 4 tinier circles cut from a brad punch to mimic the paw-shaped detail seen on AG's pet treat. Using a light brown color, paint your pet biscuits all over. Apply the paint extra thick around the edges to fill in the grooves from the layered paperboard. When the tops are dry, turn over and paint the back. Use a generous drop of liquid glue to join 2 biscuits together. Then add a third on top for a fun cluster, just like AG's version. Or you can keep some as individual biscuits. This is such an easy DIY, you can make lots to spoil all your AG pets. Here we made a template for the different dog face shaped cookies. Each cookie has a base silhouette and the additional layering pieces for the eyes, nose and ears. First, we trace the templates onto paperboard to make it easier to trace the silhouette shapes onto white fun foam. Cut out and glue the face onto another piece of fun foam to make it thicker. Carefully cut the shape out again, then paint the fun foam the same light brown color as your paw biscuits. Repeat this step for the silhouette shapes of all 4 dog faces. From scraps of colored fun foam, trace and cut out the layering pieces for each dog face. To be a bit extra, we cut triangles from inside the bulldog's ears to inlay a smaller piece of pink fun foam. Glue the layering pieces to the silhouette base. They should fit together like a puzzle to complete the faux icing layer. Take a black and a pink marker to draw on the super tiny details. With the face details finished, these DIY dog cookies are so adorable. Complete the whole set, then pop them on a display stand for sale. Click the card to see how we made this stand from popsicle sticks in a previous craft. Summer's collection also has colourful pet cupcakes that we can make using cork stoppers and wooden cover buttons. We cut our cork stopper to be 1.5 centimeters tall, then gave it and the button an undercoat of white paint. Hot glue the button on top, then squeeze more hot glue into the seam to fill the gap where the pieces are joined. Paint the whole cupcake with your light brown colour. Once it is dry, apply pink paint to the lower half of the cork for that two-tone effect seen on AG's cupcakes. Now to make the frosting from a cotton ball and liquid glue. Gently tease and fluff the cotton ball to turn it into a cone shape that is slightly bigger in diameter to your wooden cover button. When you are happy with the size and shape, place it on a non-stick surface and cover the cotton ball generously with liquid glue. Okay, it's time to get messy. Use your fingers to rub the glue all over the cotton ball, working from base to tip and smoothing down any stray fibres. Leave overnight to dry out and harden. Use the bone template to make the decorative bone from 2 layers of your coloured fun foam. Press it into your frosting while the cotton ball is still wet. Carefully peel off the frosting and glue it to the top of your cupcake. For a final touch, use a toothpick to apply tiny drops of purple, green, yellow and pink paint to mimic the sprinkles seen on AG's pet cupcakes. Our DIY version is so colourful and cute. Have fun making your dolls their own adorable pet treats from Summer McKinney's collection. Thanks for joining me today and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!